Okay, so now we burped you. Oh, look, she got hiccups. Hiccups. Hiccup. Whoop. Hiccup.
Oh, those yummy, yummy cheeks.
Hook. Come on.
Okay, let's
Sorry.
hear them.
Oh, hiccup. Listen to hiccup. Oh,
You're
okay,
only
do you want to
4 days
take her
old.
from the side so you can see how the baby fat she has? I know you're gonna be tired.
Oh, her little arms, her cute little, these are her little toes. They're so cute.
Yeah.
There. Look at her little head, her ears. Just everything about it is just so yummy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And look at her long nails. I gotta show you this. Look at that. Can you see? That's good. There we go. Can you see it? Oh, you can't see long nails, really.
Oh, her unfocused toy.
Okay,
Okay,
is it
never
focused now?
mind, it's
Okay.
done.
Hello. Say hi to the internet world out there. Hi, internet world.
Internet.
Hi there. Yeah. Yeah, she's almost going to smile. You might get her first fall on camera. I want to do it every day, a little something, and then grandmas and can go on there, and Google can go and they can see what's happening with their niece. They'll be like, "Oh man, this guy's crazy, crazy."
She's letting you know what she thinks about that.
Yeah.
She's holding
Where?
on to it.
Nope. Yeah. Oh, this finger.
That's right.
Hello.
Eat it. Hey.
So yeah, you're 4. Are you 4 days yet?
Yes, I am.
You are. What's your name? My name is Parissa. Yay! Look at that.
Look at that. Look at his hand. It just takes over her whole body. She's not. No, his hands are like oversized.
Yeah.
It's not her, I'm telling you. She's perfect. She's just perfect.
No, she's just yummy-licious. Look at that. See that nice? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Ooh. Big white eyes. Yuck. Yuck.
Okay.
Man. Alright, say bye, internet world. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Alright there, honey bunches. Okay.